Today, we're going to talk about how to open a joint bank account with Santander Bank. Opening a joint bank account with Santander is a great way to manage your finances with a partner, family member, or friend. To get started, you'll need to visit a local Santander branch. Bring along valid identification for both account holders, such as a driver's license or passport, as well as your social security numbers. Next, you'll need to fill out a joint account application form. Make sure to provide accurate information about both account holders, including names, addresses, and contact details. Santander may also require a minimum deposit to open the joint account, so be prepared to fund the account at the time of application. Once your application is submitted, it will be reviewed by the bank, and if everything checks out, your joint account will be opened. You'll both receive debit cards and access to online and mobile banking to manage your account. Remember, communication and trust are key when it comes to joint accounts, so make sure to have an open dialogue with your co-account holder about your financial goals and responsibilities. And that's it. Opening a joint bank account with Santander is a simple process that can help you and your partner or family member manage your finances together.